One sunny morning in the jungle, Ellie the little elephant woke up with a big yawn and a silly idea. She stretched her big ears and looked up at the blue sky. A colorful bird flew by and dropped a bright yellow feather right in front of her. Ellie picked up the feather with her trunk and gasped, "Oh, I have a feather. That means I must be a bird now." She ran to the river and looked at her reflection. "I have 2 ears, like wings, a long trunk, like a beak, big feet. Okay, maybe not bird feet, but still I must be a bird." Ellie flapped her ears as fast as she could. Flap, 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 she jumped and shouted, "I believe I can fly." Thump! She landed right on her bottom. Ellie said, rubbing her side. "Maybe I just need a running start." So she ran through the jungle, flapping her ears again. Flap, 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 she leapt into the air. Squish! Right into a muddy puddle. Zuzu the zebra came over, laughing kindly. "Ellie, what are you doing in the mud?" "I'm trying to fly," Ellie said proudly. "I'm a bird now. I have a feather." Zuzu smiled. "Well, birds have feathers, yes, but they're usually a little smaller than elephants." "But I have big ears for wings," Ellie said. Zuzu nodded politely. "That's true. Want some help?" So Zuzu built a little ramp from a log. "Try this." Ellie climbed up, flapped again, and jumped. Flap, flap, flap. Splash, right into the river. Now, Frodo the frog popped his head out. "Are you okay, Ellie?" Ellie shook the water off and said, "Yes, I'm learning to fly." Frodo giggled. "Maybe you're not a flying bird. Maybe you're a swimming bird like a duck." Ellie's eyes lit up. "That makes sense." She paddled in the water with her legs. Splish, splash! But her bottom kept floating up while her trunk went under. Gurgle bubble! "Maybe not a duck," she said. Back on the riverbank, Tilly the toucan flew down from a tree. "Ellie, you're so funny. You're not a bird, you're a beautiful elephant." "But I wanted to fly," Ellie sighed. Tilly smiled and flew in a circle above her. "You don't have to fly to be special. You can do things birds can't do." "Like what?" Ellie asked. "Well," said Tilly, "you can stomp really loud." Stomp! Ellie made the ground shake. "You can spray water with your trunk," Tilly said. Splash! Ellie sprayed water into the air, making a rainbow. "And," Tilly added, "you give the best jungle hugs." Ellie smiled and wrapped her big trunk gently around all her friends. "Okay," Ellie laughed. "Maybe I'm not a bird, but I'm the best elephant ever." The jungle animals cheered. Yay for Ellie! And just for fun, Ellie still wore the yellow feather behind her ear as a hat, because every elephant can be a little birdie if they want to pretend. And here comes the end of our story. If you like it, don't forget to flap, splash, and laugh with Ellie again next time.